Imagine this. You rent a $3,000 lens for a wedding gig and halfway through the night, someone knocks it off the table. Broken. Now what? Are you eating that cost or do you have a safety net? That's why a lot of photographers and videographers use Next Insurance. They don't just cover your personal equipment, they also give you the option to cover rented gear. It works like this. You already have your liability and equipment coverage. But when you bring in a rented lens, lighting kit, or camera body, you just add it to your policy. You set value, the dates you're renting, and boom, it's covered. So instead of stressing about every piece of borrowed gear, you're insured just like it's your own. That means if something happens, theft, damage, accidents, you're not footing the entire bill. And here's the kicker, a lot of rental houses require proof of insurance before they'll even let you take equipment. With Next, you can download the certificate instantly and send it straight to them. If you're renting gear for your shoots, don't wait for a disaster to wake you up. Check out Next Insurance through the link in the description. Set up your coverage and shoot with peace of mind knowing your rentals are protected.